Hello and welcome. My name is Lexi Jong, and here I like to talk about luxury makeup. Today we are taking a look at one of the Jones Road holiday kits. I picked up two of these. This first one here is called the Barely Pink Kit. So inside you get kind of, a postcard telling you what to do. So there are directions on how to use the products. And in this kit, we have the Mini Miracle Balm in Au Naturel. We have one of the liquid eyeshadows, the Sparkle Wash in Barely Pink, which is exclusive to this kit. So it's not currently available for sale individually. You also have a pencil in Onyx, which is also new and currently only available in this kit. And then the Cool Gloss in Peony. So it comes in this bag, and it's like, a paper bag. And let's go ahead and try this out. So what it says on the card, it says 4 tools for the softest, most effortless wash of pink. Sparkle Wash and Cool Gloss impart blendable, hydrated color. Miracle Balm refreshes and enlivens skin. Our indispensable pencil is an exclamation mark for the eyes. And it recommends patting the Miracle Balm. The first step is to pat that all over your face and neck. But, I've got some things I want to cover up. I've got like a little bit of acne at the moment. So we're going to use some of the Jones Road face pencils first. So I only have skincare on. I'm going to bring you in and let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off with shade 3 of the pencil. And I'm just going to put some of this here under the eyes and some right here to kind of disguise that a little bit. And just gonna use my fingers. So my skin is kind of dewy right now from my morning skincare. So the pencils move very easily on the skin. Just add a little bit more. And I have shades 1, 2, and 3. I chose shade 3 to start with just because it's a little deeper and a little peachier. So I was thinking it would help more with some color correction. And let's move into shade 1 here. Okay, this part's just a little bit more red, so we're just gonna add a little bit more pencil here. And let me just show you a quick swatch of what shades 1, 2, and 3 look like. Just gonna add a little dab right here again. So this here is shade 1. We have shade 2, which is a little bit rosier. And then shade 3 is warmer. So 1, 2, and 3, you can see 1 is neutral, 2 is cooler, 3 is warmer in tone. Typically, I tend to use more of shades 1 and 2. All right, so let's try the Mini Miracle Balm. We're gonna go ahead and try the method recommended in the directions. I do have a couple of the Miracle Balms. I have not picked up any of these minis yet, but it's 8.5 grams or 0.3 ounces, and it has a 1.5 year shelf life. So I think the mini size is better. What you want to do is break the seal. So just digging my finger in here, and that kind of like makes it like creamier and moussier. So let's see. I'm gonna start by putting this kind of here on the cheeks. This shade here is, almost clear. You can see here what it looks like on my skin. See that on my hand? So it's almost clear. There's a little bit of a peachy rose tint to it, but yeah, not too much. So I'm just going to get a little bit on my fingers here. Just get a little bit more here. so my fingers are nicely moisturized. I'm just gonna kind of press this on. So that way I've got a little bit more here on the cheeks for a little bit more of a natural highlight, but my whole face is gonna look more dewy. We'll see how this looks at the end. Now, as for this product, if you haven't used one of these before, it has a pretty strong herbal scent. There is, you know, I don't believe there's any added fragrance, but it's like natural ingredients. Let me just double check the ingredients real quickly. All right, so just a few highlights from the ingredients. The #1 ingredient on here is castor seed oil and beeswax. And then there are also like coconut alkanes, which I know do bother some people. For me, one of the things that I smell the most strongly would be rosemary, which is in here towards the bottom portion of the ingredient list. We also have ginger in here and grapefruit peel oil and so forth. So it's really more just those natural ingredients that you smell. And for me, I really pick up, I guess, more of those more herby scents like the rosemary. All right, so that was the Miracle Balm, which was step 1. Step 2 is to spread the Sparkle Wash over the eyes. So I actually have some of these and have not tried them yet. So let's go ahead and test these out. This shade looks really pretty, and this is called Barely Pink. So you have like the lip gloss one. I'm just gonna wipe a little bit of the excess off there before putting it on the lid. And we'll let that dry for a second. You know, like other liquid eyeshadows, you can feel kind of that cooling sensation on the skin. All right, so let's go in with the second layer here. So the second layer does make it a little bit more opaque, a little bit frostier looking. All right, and I just wiped off the wand a little bit. I'm just going to dab a little bit here in the inner corner as well. All right, so there's the Sparkle Wash in Barely Pink. And the next step is applying the best eye pencil in, or the best pencil rather, in Onyx. And let's see what Onyx looks like. Okay, so it's like a sparkly black. You can see a little bit of sparkle in there. And let me just see how this compares to the black eye pencil, which I have. Okay, so here's the black one. All right, so black versus Onyx. You can see that it's not gonna be quite as deep of a black. This is a little bit more charcoal versus the true black. And again, there's no sparkle in black, only in Onyx. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just line the upper lash line with this, as is recommended. So I did a little bit of a larger line here because I wanted to kind of emphasize that lash line a little bit more. And there we go. Okay, and step 4 is to add the Peony lip gloss to the lips. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the hand first. All right, so you can see it's a cool pink. And there's a sheen to it, but not sparkle. There's no like shimmer or glitter in here. So let's go ahead and try this out. All right, so there it is. And this is like a minty gloss. It has like a thin consistency, more like I don't even know if I want to say Vaseline, but you know, one of those types of textures more, maybe a little bit thinner than that. And kind of like a, you know, it's like a liquid chapstick essentially, but it has that strong cooling sensation to it. Definitely minty. I'm going to bring you out so you can see this. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and add in a few more products like mascara and a brow pencil and perhaps something more on the face. I feel like this is just not complete enough for me. So let me back you out and show you what you get from the kit. So this is the look from the kit. And again, this is called the pink kit, the Barely Pink kit rather. All right, so I didn't change much. I added the Kjaer Weis Impossible mascara and the Jones Road brow pencil, which I really love, but mine's almost gone. So once I sharpen this again, we're gonna be on its last legs. So I've been kind of preserving that. And then I added just a little bit more of the face pencil and the blush. I added a touch of this in the shade Mauve Rose, and that's the shade there. And it's very balmy like the Miracle Balm, not quite as moussey in texture as the Miracle Balm. It's a little bit firmer than that, not quite as balmy, but they are pretty similar. It's also not as strongly scented as the Miracle Balm. So that's what I did on my skin. And let's take a look at these items from the kit. So here is the Sparkle Wash, and you can see that it dries down, but the glitter will come off. And you can see it has spread on my skin and everything. But the actual color, the color base, that stays put. So it's really just the glitter that comes off. I feel like that's pretty true for all of these glittery liquid eyeshadows. So, you know, that's not unique to this brand. Again, the face pencils did not come with the stick, but the set, but if you're interested, they are a creamy pencil and I think they're pretty cool. I like them. They do have a few shades that are meant to be color correctors. I don't have any of those, but, you know, definitely something worth looking into. They're deceptively more expensive than you might think, because if I recall correctly, each pencil is around $30 or so, but they actually recommend having a few different shades. And you have to buy a sharpener separately. It works with like a chubby pencil sharpener, but the Jones Road pencil sharpener works, you know, it's designed for this. But so anyway, yeah, you know, it's like, this is pretty much the full size. So it's a little bit more expensive than you might think when you look at it and you're like, oh, $30, because they recommend having 3 or 4 to use so that you can use them in different spots on your face. And they're really meant more to be like a color corrector, or like, I mean, a spot product. So you put it on spots and kind of blend it out, not necessarily for your whole entire face at once. However, I've done it both ways. So it's a creamy product though. The Miracle Balm, this is a Miracle Balm on my hand. You can see that it stays like dewy. You've got kind of that like wet sheen to it, and it doesn't dry down, but it does, like, I think it's really great for keeping moisture in your skin during the winter. And I think that's a really great product to use for that. If you are somebody, like, for example, you're going outside and it's cold or it's windy or something, if you put a layer of this on your face, I really do think that it helps protect it, adds a nice sheen. If you're staying in all day, I personally don't like to have any texture on my face. Like, I don't want to feel anything, like it feels balmy. I don't want that on my skin necessarily most of the time. So it's a personal preference. But I do think it's great for if you're going outside and you want to kind of keep things like moisturized and, you know, act as a humectant essentially. So yeah, it's a nice product. It's kind of a good barrier product as well. So there's that. The Cool Gloss, you know, I think the Cool Glosses, they remind me more of like a liquid chapstick. I have a few of them, and, you know, I think they're nice for a light look, putting it in your purse and so forth, but for my personal preferences, they don't replace lipstick. So, but I do know, or I'm pretty sure that Bobbi Brown has said that she will be releasing lipsticks. So I'm very excited for those. And I'm not sure when those are coming out, but I want to say during one of her lives on Instagram, she did mention bringing out some lipsticks in the future. And I'm really excited to see those. So as for the products in this kit, I think it's a nice kit. You know, I was really intrigued by the pink sparkle wash. I don't know how much I love that particular color on me, but it's a nice pink. Like, I like the tone of it. It's just, it's a little bit, you know, it's not like the glitter itself is chunky, but it looks more chunkier on my lids, I feel like. Just the way that it kind of disperses and so forth is probably my application, but I think it's okay. So I'll have to wear it more, try out some of my other colors before I give an actual opinion on the product itself. But I think this is a nice kit. It's a nice introduction. I like being able to get the Miracle Balm in the smaller sizes. And this is something that I can easily throw in my purse, especially now that it's winter. If I'm going to be outside for a while, I can easily apply this to my face or my kids' faces and so forth. And this particular shade is pretty clear. So yeah, I think overall it's a nice kit. I'm glad that I picked it up. And yeah, I think that's everything. So let me know if you're interested in seeing more from Jones Road. I do have some other items that I have picked up. Can't wait to try them out. But I have quite a few things that I've picked up over the past year or so that I haven't really featured on my channel. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing those items as well. And thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day and stay safe and healthy.